For control panel of Sumner test on single phase transformer. In this setup, we will provide panel and variac for AC input regulated to load the transformer, and 2 number of transformer similar rating having the facility to measure the temperature of inside the transformer. Now I will show the front panel and give the description of this panel. Here single phase input terminal at lower side, then MCB for give the supply to the panel, line indicator, 2 voltmeter, AC voltmeter, one is for primary side and other is for the secondary side, and the same current meter, 2 current meter, one is for the primary side and second for the secondary side, 2 watt meter, primary side and secondary side. And we will provide the circuit diagram of the Sumner test on the front panel. Now for the connections, first of all you have to connect 220 volt AC to the terminal directly. The AC input directly goes to input of the circuit. Now connect voltmeter of the primary side, current meter in series, wattmeter with the respective terminals M, L, C, V. And in the similar way connect the other side voltage, measure the voltage in parallel, connected over here, current meter, and the similar MLCV for the wattmeter. Now we will do the single phase transformer connections. All the dotted lines you have to connect with the patch cords, high voltage side and similar way low voltage side. In similar manner for the second transformer, dotted line you have to connect HV side and LV side. Now we will connect the transformer on the panel. Now connection of the transformer through patch cord on the panel. Primary side connected, this goes to second terminal, this is the second transformer, connected lower terminal, HV side is connected to left hand terminal, and the LV side connected with the patch cord at right side of terminal on the connection diagram. Now connection is complete. Now we will check the polarity of the transformer, whether it is additive or subtractive. Now fix the thermometer. The place is given on the above of the transformer as shown here. Now for the additive or subtractive polarity, we will check with the help of variac. For checking this polarity, we will supply the panel through variac, AC variac. Now connect the AC supply through variac and we will check the meters. Variac should be at minimum position. Give the voltage slowly, and here we input. This voltmeter, above voltmeter show the input and the below meter show the output of the transformer. As we shown over here, this is the connection in additive manner, because input is 100 and output is double of the input. So we have to change the connections, minimize the variac. For make the subtractive polarity, we have to change any one secondary output. Again check the polarity. Now increase the input supply and the output voltage is 0. That means it is in subtractive polarity connection for the transformer. Now further we will proceed. Now we will disconnect the variac from the input and give the supply directly 220 volt AC to the panel and connect the AC variac to the terminal AC input from regulator. With the help of this variac, we will load the transformer. Now switch on the supply, main supply, and here we get the primary side voltage, current and wattage. Now switch on the MCB, increase the AC regulator slowly.